got to stop. And what I mean by that is got to stop letting CPAs, accountants, um, people doing your books, make them stop putting the wrong things on there, the wrong things on your P&L. I see it time and time again, especially this time of year with tax season, and it's just ridiculous. It's like it's because they don't take you as a salon owner seriously is the biggest problem, in my opinion. They put tips on there and they said, well, it's not a big deal. We put the tips on there, but we back them out. So there's no negative impact. Well, that's a lie because there's a negative impact on your profit percentage. If you were normally would be at, because you're artificially increasing your income and then your expenses, so it lowers your profitability. Um, Not technically, but if you're looking at it, if a bank's looking at it and you were, say, 6%, and if you were to not take your tips off, they don't belong on there, and it put your profit at 8%, a bank's going to look a lot more favorably to 8% profit than a 6% profit. Same thing with gift certificates, same thing with sales tax. If any of those things are ending up on your P&L, then that's a problem because it's messing up the gauge, the tool that you should be using to measure how successful your business it is. It's artificially changing that number, changing that percentage. So you can't fix it by adding tips in, taking tips out, and playing all these games. It's just basically the person doing your books. They're just being lazy, to be honest with you. They're not putting it as a current liability where it belongs. So to be clear, the only two things that belong on a P&L are income and expenses. If it's not income and if it's not an expense, it doesn't belong on there. Tips are not income, period. Um, Gift certificates, they're not income until they get used. Taxes are not income. You're holding on to that money until you have to pay it. All of those are current liabilities. It's money that you're collecting that you're going to have to pay out to someone later. So anyway, I just wanted to put that out there. If your accountant or bookkeeper, CPA is putting tips on your P&L, ask them to stop. Ask them to quit being lazy. Put it where it belongs so that you can get a good, clean P&L. So then wherever you're operating your business, looking at your P&L, you'll be able to make good decisions with good numbers. The biggest problem with P&Ls is they're not organized correctly. CPAs are doing it to make it easiest on them to be able to do your taxes, just money in, money out. I don't care where it's categorized. That's not useful for you as a salon owner, as a business owner. You need to have it organized correctly so that you can use it as the tool that it deserves to be used as. If you want more information on that, just reach out, comment, and we'll help you get clear on that. We've got a free school group that you can join. So anyway, if that's something you're interested, let us know. And otherwise, tell your CPA to just stop. Thanks.